Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade ice cream for kids, an easy guide. First, gather your simple ingredients: heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and vanilla. Mix them all together in a small 1-quart freezer bag. Then, prepare a larger 2-gallon bag with plenty of ice and about 1/2 cup of rock salt. This simple method is super fun and requires no special equipment. Now, carefully place your smaller ingredient bag inside the larger bag filled with ice and rock salt. Make sure to seal the outer bag very tightly, pushing out any excess air. Then, the fun begins. Shake the bag vigorously for about 10 to 15 minutes. The salt lowers the freezing point of the ice, making your ice cream mixture freeze quickly and deliciously. Once your basic vanilla ice cream is firm, it is time to get creative with flavors. You can add 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, fruit purees, or even a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder for a rich chocolate treat. For extra fun, mix in 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips, sprinkles, or crushed cookies. The possibilities are endless for customizing your delicious dessert. After shaking, carefully remove the inner bag from the ice and salt mixture. Be sure to rinse off any salt residue from the outside of the bag. Now, it is time to scoop your freshly made ice cream into bowls or cones. This simple, fun activity yields a delightful dessert that everyone will love. Enjoy your homemade treat with family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.